Hello. Ready na ka mapildiyo niya to?
Hindi mo sure.
Pild. Yes, Roger Federer mong kalaban, no?
Nadal?
Kichi Nadal. Next project. Pero dugay pa. Astang mahala. Mag 3-in-1 na lang ta. Mag 3-in-1 na lang ta kay mahal kayo.
Searching, 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 searching.
Tofu. Player number 1. Ulu. Player number 3.
Well, looky here, what do we have? Another pretty thing ready for me to grab. But little does she know that I'm a wolf and she's clothing. Cause at the end of the night, it is her I'll be holding. I love you so, hey, that's what you say. You tell me, baby, baby, please don't go away. But when I
What's up? Anong masasabi mo sa ating pickleball anong tawag nito? Tournament for the char.
Life-changing.
Hana, dali ka dito. Ilapit mo sa kanya. Iharap mo. Anong masasabi mo sa bagong hobby natin?
Maganda.
Ilang follow ka today?
0.
Hello!
Ito na, 360?
720. Ano order mo, pare ko?
Ano, egg fried rice with... fried rice with egg.
Joyce, how's your food?
Wala pa nga.
Advance lang.
Hi guys, welcome to Keanu's vlog again. And guys, officially mag-launch si Keanu ng kanyang YouTube channel, so watch out. Watch out!
Watch out for my YouTube video sa TikTok.
TikTok? Pwede ano? YouTube video. Ay, ngayon ko na lang-guess. Sorry.
OnlyFans.
Ikaw man yung ganun.
Ay, ako din.
Ikaw yung ganun.
Sana mo, subscribe mo sa Lian TV.
Ako si lian.com.
Kaya pa kayo sa kasabaw.
Ako si Pongpong, tubig na ako.
Sabon, dami sabon.
Sabol ko na ako, sabol.